welcome back to another video. I'm done buying hair products for the rest of the year. Just let me say that. I haven't opened it because I wanted to open this with you. It is an unboxing. I'm all over the place. It is an unboxing, and we're gonna pretty much jump right into all the products that are in here, product by product. We're gonna do it. We are gonna do it today, and we're gonna do it together. My cousin, firsthand, my cousin used their products, and she does have natural hair. She has nice natural hair, and she has used she have been using their products, and she has told me how it has helped her hair to grow, the texture. She came to visit and I put some braids in her hair, and her hair is so soft. That is how I started to look into Mielle. I am most excited about a few of the products, and I did buy products in here for myself and my son because he now has a high top situation, not too high but high top fade inside. Love that look for him. He's growing into himself. He's 4, he just turned 4, you guys. I'm gonna stop talking now. And okay, so what compelled me to purchase all these products? Not sponsored, one money. They were Black Friday sale, so all products were $6. All products were $6. All the products. I decided that I was gonna go ahead and just get enough to last me for a while, because this is a great sale. This is a great sale, and I put them in my cart, and I've had them in my cart for some time, and I was like, do I really need these products? Do I really need all of these products? I don't think I need all of these products. I was going back and forth pretty much with I was pretty much going back and forth. This don't look right. This don't look right. Me, I wonder if they send me more than I buy. I could, like, these are all the products. So for starters, I have the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner, and I need to focus more on moisture and just caring for my hair. Conditioning is very important, so I need to be doing some deep condition. I need to be doing a little bit more care for my hair. This is a lot of product, but by the time I put my fingers in this and lather this into this here and set this down for some deep conditioning, it will be over. And again, $6, so I got 2 for $12. Definitely looking forward to that. And again, my son and myself will be utilizing these products, so got that. And I got some of them. I did, as you can see, that I did get them in I did get two products each in some of them. I have the Mielle pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo, and this pretty much cleanses with rich. So this is, and I like that the products are sulfate free. I'm not sure how this overnight one worked though. So let's back up a little bit. So this Mielle Moisturizer RX Moisturizer Overnight Conditioner is actually supposed to stay in your hair overnight. I am not sure if I want to leave products in my hair overnight. Every time I wrap my hair and go to my bed, the next morning everything is off. So I definitely don't think I'll be trying this overnight thing, but I will leave this in my hair in the daytime and keep it on for hours. So yeah, nothing stays on my head overnight. I feel like this will encourage more hair growth and stuff like that. This is also great for, this says it's for curly type 4 hair. But next, from the pomegranate family, I have the Curl Refreshing Spray. This is mostly for my son. Anti-frizz light holding mist with intense hydration to shine and redefine. Yeah, I was thinking about him when I got this, but there's hold in it, so I'm not sure. But anyhow, you know, I'll be using it somewhere or another. I'm going to be utilizing them all. Then I have the curl smoothie. This is definitely for him. I want to get some curls coming in, you know, in his hair. So I'm definitely going to be using this with his, it says it gives you soft definition right there. So excited about trying that. So that's the pomegranate. I'm not sure if I have anything else from that line. Then I have the Mielle Rosemary Mint Straightening Hair Mask. These, along with the deep conditioner, these will work great. Very, very, very great. So I'm excited about where I'm going to be taking my hair journey. So rich, and the container is full to the brim. Love that. Enough product. Container is full. I also got two in this because, again, I'm gonna be focusing on deep conditioning a lot over the next couple of days. So I got two of that. The hair mask, the rosemary and mint is definitely great for straightening. Definitely great for the mask. I don't really know much about the creator behind Mielle. Mielle was created by Monique Rodriguez, a registered nurse, wife, and mother of two girls who desired to share her healthy hair journey using products with organic ingredients to achieve amazing results. She knew the importance of knowing what it is in your products and wanted to create healthier options for the whole family. The result is a brand that delivers to you and natural effective products. So I love that they're naturally derived. I am loving that, and that is what I am for these days, focusing on a lot of that. I'm surprised that not all of these products have seal on them, and they're all intact. I also have a Mielle Detangling co-wash for dry and curly hair types. This is, when I saw this, I immediately thought of my son, because sometimes his hair gets dry, natural hair, and I'm like, you just need a little bit of moisture just to refresh it. So we'll definitely be utilizing that in his hair. And I have the Mielle Rice Water Collection Moisturizing Milk. Heard a lot about this. My cousin been telling me a lot about this. She used this in her hair, and her girl hair is soft and nice. Love it. So I'm excited to try these, you guys. Please do share if you haven't used their products and what has been your experience while using the products. I have the Mielle Mint Almond Oil Blend, moisturizes hair and scalp. I think this was so this is for breakage, excessive shedding, and dry scalp. Almond oil is a carrier protein that binds to each strand to seal and lock in moisture. Definitely needs this because, of course, processed hair easily damaged. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing this. Pretty much my aim with these products was to restore and just to bring back my hair to maintain healthy hair and so on. This is the Rice Water Collection Hydrating Shampoo. This is a shampoo. So where's the conditioner? Alright, I have no idea. I heard great things about the rice water products. I've heard of persons even using actual rice water. Hear that there is a thing with the rice water where it grows your hair and it straightens your hair. So I'm looking forward to see the results when I use that. Being as I'm on the rice water products, let's continue with those. I have the rice water and aloe vera deep conditioner. Okay, so that's why so I got the deep conditioner to go with the shampoo. So as you can see, there's a lot of deep conditioning products that I have in here because I'm gonna be focusing a lot on deep conditioning my hair. Yes, self-care is very important, and I'm all about self-care, and that is what my main focus is gonna be going forward, as always. It's important to take care of you, put you first. If you don't, who else will? And I have the Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. So I can definitely use this to help with bringing in a few curls in my son's hair. And if you're trying to get a curly look for yourself as well. And don't judge me, but I might just put some in my wig. Hello, don't judge me, don't judge me. And I also have the braid gel. So I will be I'm supposed to be getting my hair braided soon, and I thought these would have been great, as you cannot have too much. You can use these to style your braid. I'm not sure if you can use it to actually when you're putting your braid in, but because I'm going to be getting braids, I thought, why not get this? And I have rice water again. This is for split end therapy, and of course this is perfect for me, given that, you know, I have relaxed my hair. So these are great. Looking forward to start using these. And I also have Rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. Definitely looking forward to using these as well. I love to, you know, try new products out. Sometimes our hair, we just sometimes just to take care for you, sometimes we just need a change, and we just need to listen. Self-care, it's important. And I have the Rosemary mint straightening edge gel. So this is for the edges. Yes, my edges could take a little bit of care, you know. I have great edges, of course, but sometimes with wearing a lot of wigs and always putting my hair in a ponytail does, you know, recedes that a little bit. So we got that. And yeah, I saw this and I'm like, did I purchase this? So I have a pomegranate and honey stretch mark cream, locks in moisture and helps reduce the appearance of stretch mark. Hello, I got a toddler, and I do have a few, just minimal stretch on the lower part of my tummy, just a few. What's funny enough, I got more stretch marks on my butt cheeks, which is weird. I like seeing them on my butt cheeks, whatever. Yeah, so I love my stretch marks, but hey, I decided to try this and see what it's like. I might be doing reviews of the different products, because there are different products here, different lines of pomegranate honey, the rice water, the stretch mark stuff, the hair growth oil, stuff like that. I might do different reviews of them. Let me know if you'd like to see those, and let me know if you've used these products and what has been your experience using them. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I'm checking to see if I got anything complimentary, but nothing that's in there. So you guys, that is it for the Mielle products. I have a whole bunch of products here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Do leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what has been your experience while using the products and your thoughts, pretty much. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.